y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today I'm going to show you how I got this everyday look. This is legit my everyday makeup look when I'm just going run errands or running about or whatever. So yeah, this is it. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off priming my face. I've been using this primer, you guys, for like the past few videos. It's the Faced Hangover Primer. It's really moisturizing. And my skin has been really dry lately in the winter months, so it's been doing wonders for me. I like it. For foundation, you guys, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I tried this a long time ago. I'm in between colors, so I'm in between color 355 Coconuts and 334 Warm Sun, these two. So I'm gonna mix a combination of these two colors, you guys. So basically one pump of each. This has great coverage. I haven't used it in a while. For highlighting today, you guys, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer. This is the 16-hour camo concealer in the color Tan Latte. For cream contour, I'm going in with the Nicka K New York. It's a cream to powder foundation in the color Chocolate. I'm going to set my highlighted areas using the Mercier translucent powder. For eyebrows, you guys, I'm going to use the Galore, the Sculpt and Brow Pomade, and this is in the color Cocoa. I'm going to sculpt out my brow using the lighter foundation just to sculpt out, kind of perfect it. For eyeshadow, you guys, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the color 360, and I'm just using this to blend in my crease. Just really easy and simple, you guys. And this is like when I'm in a rush, like when I need to do my makeup and I'm in a rush. I should do a video like on like a 10-15 minute makeup and show you guys like how I can get like in and out. But this is an easy one. Just blend this brown, whatever brown you have. Nothing too pigmented, just like a soft brown. And then I take my palette that I contour with, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I take the darker brown, my contour color, and I blend that right below that color I just put on. So like right below it. And that's it for the color, you guys. Like just that simple. So for eyeliner, we gotta have our wing. I'm going to go in with the Inglot gel liner in the color number 77, which is like just a basic jet black color. And just take an angled liner brush. To set my entire face, I'm going in with another Laura Mercier powder. This one is in the color medium deep, and just dust it all over. Setting my contour using the black Radiance palette. Using the same palette, taking the gold. And topping that with Becca's highlighter in the color Opal. For blush, you guys, I never hardly wear blush, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush on here. I'm using Bobbi Brown's bronzer, the bronzing powder in dark 3, which is this color here. Just a little, like boom. That's it. For lashes today, you guys, I am of course using the best lashes on earth, the fluffiest lashes that last the longest. They last an average of about 20 uses. I'm gonna go in with Socialite Mink Lash in the style Nightlife. They're so fluffy, you guys. They actually look like lash extensions when you apply them. So it's kind of washed out with the lighting, you guys, but they're so fluffy. Make sure you follow Socialite Mink Lash on Instagram at Socialite Mink Lash. I'll put the information in the description box because they are a whole fluffy vibe, you guys. Like, people ask me, like, who does your lashes? Like, thinking I wear lash extensions, but no, this is just a lash strip. Socialite Mink Lashes, and I'm wearing the style Nightlife. So line my waterline using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color 03 Deep. And it just makes my eyes look wider and more open. And for mascara, I'm going to use Levi from Tui Bell. And I'm going to put all the information to the products I'm using down in the description box, you guys, in case you wanted to purchase any of it. And for my lips, you guys, I'm going to go in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencil. And this one is in the color Downtown Beauty. And deepen it just a little bit using another NYX pencil in medium brown. For lipstick, I'm going to use, it's a Maybelline lipstick in the color 530 Hot Sand. It's supposed to be a matte, like a matte nude color. And then for gloss, I'm going to use MAC Lip Glass in Premortal. I'll put the name down in the description box.